beautiful morning. Why won't this shoe fit? Wait, where's that water coming from? That doesn't sound good. Jason, come quickly!
Okay, we need to stop the water.
Vanessa, what's happening? Whoa, there's water everywhere! Stay there, kids. Keep your feet dry. Okay, Mom.
This should slow it down.
It's filling way too fast! Come on, hold the water back. Buckets won't be enough. We need another way. We have to shut off the main water. Do you remember where the valve is? The valve?
Think, Megan.
I think it's in the basement. Yes, outside beside the big tree. Find the big red wheel by the tree. We'll find it. Come on, Eli. I'm coming. Look for a red wheel. I'm looking. There, I found it. This must be the one. It's really tight. I'll help you. Ready? Ready. We did it! Yes! Mom, we stopped it! I'm so proud of you both.
Excellent job, team.
That's a lot of water, but at least it stopped. Those towels need a vacation. Eli!
Breakfast survived the flood.
Someone's moving in. Who is it? I don't know.
One more box. Where did I put those glasses?
He looks really grumpy. Whoa, a grumpy king! Maybe he's just tired, Eli.
Moving is harder than I remember.
He's doing everything alone. Maybe he's lonely. Maybe. Mom, we have a new neighbor. He's moving all those boxes by himself. He looks like a grumpy king. We shouldn't judge someone by their face. Hospitality means making someone feel welcome. I like that. I have an idea! Let's make him a welcome gift. A welcome gift? That's a great idea. How about honey cookies? Yes! Like this? Nice and slowly. Why is it so strong? I hope he likes it. This one's from me. Perfect.
Can I have one?
Later. Okay, I can do this. Just be yourself. Okay, Mom. Hello, I brought you some cookies.
Good luck, Vanessa!
Here goes.
Oh, hello there.
Hi, Mr. Thomas. We made these to welcome you.
For me? That's very kind. If only I could find my glasses.
So that's why you were squinting.
Thank you for visiting me.
You're welcome.
Moving day has been quite a mess.
I know, but we're almost done. See you soon.
You certainly will.